Hi viewers, friends, plant lovers and especially city dwellers. Welcome to Mano Farm YouTube channel. Today I am going to suggest some essential plants which you must have in the house. If you are a city dwellers, definitely it is for you. Oh, definitely you will ask, who has got the time to maintain all these things? Yes, if it is so, then you should watch this video so that you can understand such a easy plants which you can maintain it. Hi, now I'll suggest some three plants which throughout the year it will be green and very easy to maintain, and so you can grow in any conditions, so they will survive. So such plants I'll introduce to you. Now what you are looking at the screen is the golden pothos. So this golden pothos, it's really a wonderful plant for the city dwellers. The plant which can grow anywhere in any condition. So this is the plant which is also called devil's eye. So the devil's eye because also called money plant, just because it can't die so easily. So this plant, you put it in water, it will grow. You put it in soil, it will grow. You put it in acidic soil, it will grow. You put it in neutral soil or alkaline soil, it will grow. So this kind of a plant. But why this plant is necessary? If you look at it, it's the very good plant which can filter out your pollutants. These golden pothos are researched and proven that they are very effective in removing the formaldehydes, and also it removes formaldehyde, xylene, trichloroethylene and benzene. These pollutants are normally present in the city where you have so much of vehicles running, industries and other things which are nearby. So this will be very useful for you in the things. And also it is, you can grow it indoor, outdoor, anywhere in the indirect sunlight, so that it grows well, and also it gives a lot of greenery effect. So it is so green that you will always love to look at it, and it will be very easy that you can just water it once a while. If you don't water it also, it will survive for a very long time. And also that temperatures and other things doesn't matter much for this plant. And of course it is a plant which likes the humid environment. So if you keep it in your place where you use the water and all, like bathrooms and other places, it grows much well. So I suggest this plant you must have your house, so which will enable you to have a very clean air, and it gives a good look, and it will be very pleasant to see these plants growing in and around your house. Hi, now we will look into the another very important plant. It's called snake plant. What you see is the snake plant. The snake plant, young woman will love it because it's also called mother-in-law's tongue. It has got a long leaves, and this plant is another indestructible plant. So this plant also grows very easily. You can keep it so in any pot in the soil, and it grows. So it matters if you giving more light and proper care, it will grow faster. If you don't give any care, you keep it in the dark, it will grow slow. That's it, but it will survive. The thing is, why this plant? This plant is really a wonderful plant which is very good oxygen producer, and Harvard University had conducted a study. this plant is judged as the most oxygen producing house plants, and it produces very good oxygen, and also it is a very good pollutant remover. It absorbs benzene, formaldehyde, xylene and toluene. So these pollutants gets cleared off in the air surrounding these plants. And another important issue for this plant is that it has got the tendency to release some oxygen in the night. Normally, this photosynthesis process takes place in the light in the morning hours, but this plant has got another phenomenon also called Crassullian acid metabolism. This process is called in the night it gives a little bit of oxygen by the other process. So that way you get oxygen inside your house even in the night, and this is proven as very effective against allergies. So this plant around you likely to reduce allergies for you. And also, as I told, it has got a various advantage of growing very easy and very drought resistant. And if you are a believer of Chinese Feng Shui and all, so they have treasured house plant. This plant is a treasured house plant. So they normally believed that 8 gods bestowed their virtues upon those who grow this plant. So that way it is a very good plant suggestion for you to grow. Hi, now we will move on to our third suggested plant. So this is Areca palms. This Areca palms needs a little bit of maintenance, not like pothos or a snake plant. However, it can thrive in the moist and well-drained soil. Soil can be acidic or neutral, it doesn't matter, and it can be grown inside the house or outside the house in indirect light. So it grows very well. But why this plant is needed? So this plant has got a lot of advantages, especially on maintaining the humidity, pollutant filtration, etc. This plant, when you keep it inside the house or a room, it maintains the relative humidity. So when you maintain the relative humidity, you can understand mostly in the dry weather like air conditioned rooms and other places, the dry weather causes a lot of problems to the pupils who has got the asthma and allergies. So that way this plant will be very helpful for them to grow inside and nearer to their city areas. And also the study conducted indicates that it is also a very good air pollutant remover. So it removes acetone, xylene, formaldehyde and toluene. So these things are getting removed from the air, so that the air around this plant is always free from all these pollutants. And it is a most oxygen emitter due to the reason that it has got a more surface area of the leaves. So if you look at these plants, so when you see the screen, it has got so many leaves and so many branches, and the surface area of the leaves is so much, it gives lot of oxygen for you. And when it comes to the other studies on this plant, that University of Vermont has studied this plant against various issues, and they found that for reducing the anxiety, this plant is very good. Actually 37% reduction in anxiety, 58% reduction in depression, 38% reduction in fatigue have been observed with these plants in the rooms. So these are the study statistics which shows this plant is very helpful in decreasing your stress. And also, if you are a believer of feng shui, again this plant is considered as a very lucky plant and which can bring wealth, peace and prosperity, so which is what told by the feng shui. So that way this plant is a very good plant for you to keep it inside your house. I hope this video is very useful for you and you could understand some of the main reasons you should hold these essential plants. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and like it, and also press the notification button so that I'll be able to give you more and more better information for your better life. Thank you very much.